guys, so today I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone 11 video. Recently I just uploaded me unboxing this phone, so if you guys haven't watched it already, please click the link down below and you can watch that and then come back and watch this video. I'm going to show you guys my lock screen before I start. This is what it looks like. It's just a picture I took in Aruba a couple years ago that I really like. Okay, so on the first screen I just have messages, calendar, which I actually use a lot. During school I'll put down when assignments are due, and I'll always refer to that every day to see what is due and what I need to do, and I put down what appointments I have to go to, and everything is just in that app. And then next is that photos, camera, clock, Gmail, and then the mail app, which is connected to my university's email. It's very helpful. And then I have notes app. I use this a lot when I need to write a grocery list or write something down if I don't have any pen or paper with me, which I actually prefer doing. And then I have calculator, wallet, which is just, I have my Apple Pay on there. So this comes in handy all the time when I forget my wallet in the car or at home, or if I'm at a vending machine that takes Apple Pay. It's just so easy to just put your phone to the card reader and that's it. And then I have reminders, Find My iPhone, App Store, Health, Weather, Contacts, iMovie, and then I have Safari, FaceTime. I actually don't FaceTime that much. And then I have settings, and then the phone app. And then next I just have Instagram, which you guys can actually follow me on there if you want to. It's at Coffee X. I'll put it in a link down below so you guys can just click on it and follow me if you want. Yeah, that's my feed. I'm actually really proud of my feed. So yeah, go ahead and follow me if you'd like. And then the next app I have is Twitter. I love Twitter way more than Instagram. I know a lot of people don't even use Twitter or are confused about it, but it's really simple and funny. Like, that's where all the memes come from. So I prefer Twitter. And then next I just have a folder that is for Facebook. I use Facebook just to connect with my family and stuff on there. And then Facebook Messenger. And then I just have Snapchat. I actually forget about Snapchat a lot, but when I do use it, I'll use it. But you know, it's just there. I can't delete Snapchat because I have so many memories on there from like 2015, which is crazy. And then next I just have YouTube. I use this app a lot just to watch videos and stuff. And then I have YouTube Studio, which basically I can upload my thumbnails for my videos on there, check comments, view my analytics on my channel, and stuff like that, which I like to do. Then next I just have a folder with the dollar signs on it, and I have Bank of America because that's my app. Because I have Bank of America because that's the bank I use. And then I just have American Express for my credit card, and Cash App, which I actually don't like Cash App that much. I rather just use Zelle, which is directly through bank accounts. You can get your money instantly, no fees, so I highly recommend Zelle if you're still using Cash App or Venmo. And then I just have a navigation folder, which just has Apple Maps, which I don't use at all. I probably should delete it. And then I have Waze, which I use way more because it tells you if there's something in the road, if there's traffic, if there's police nearby. So that has helped me a lot. And then I have a folder which is called Education. The first one I have is Duolingo. I was learning Spanish quite a long time, and I would just use this app for fun. It's very helpful, I just forget about it, but if you're interested in learning a language, they have so many languages you can use. They have so many languages you guys can learn on there, like Spanish, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Chinese, Russian, Korean. So I really love Duolingo. And then I just have Google Translate. I haven't used Google Translate in a minute because I haven't been traveling because of quarantine. But when I have gone to Spanish speaking countries, this has came so helpful to me. Like especially in Panama and Cuba. I was using this like non-stop. And then I just have Socratic. If you're a college student, I highly recommend getting that because I ain't gonna tell you too much about it. It's very helpful. And then I have GroupMe, which is basically like a group chat app where you can connect with your classmates, which I love GroupMe. And then I have Credit Karma, which basically, if you don't know what it is, you basically just check your credit on there. And I literally check Credit Karma like it's a social media platform when it's not. But yeah, I recommend that if you don't check your credit. And then I have TikTok. I don't use TikTok. I forget about it. I just have it on my phone. And then I have a food app, which just has Uber Eats. I don't really use Uber Eats because the fees are crazy. Like, I was trying to order a $5 meal. No, like an $8 meal. And then with fees and taxes and service and tipping, it was going to be like $20. So I was like, you know what, I might as well get my ass up and order it myself. And then I just have Starbucks app. I don't use that anymore. And then I have Chick-fil-A. I use the Chick-fil-A app so much. I think it's great. If you don't use Chick-fil-A app and you go to Chick-fil-A, I highly recommend it because you can get so many free treats on there and you get a lot of points. Then next I just have the GIF keyboard. I don't know how to pronounce it. Tell me how to pronounce it. Help me. I don't really use those that much anymore. Then I have Depop, which is basically a selling app where you can just sell or buy clothing items you don't use anymore. And I've sold about 6 items already. So yeah, I'll put it down below if you guys are interested. And yeah, then I just have a shopping folder where I have Target and Amazon. The Target app is pretty helpful if you shop there. And then I just have Amazon, which is very dangerous to have on your phone because like I will just sit there and order stuff. And then I just have SoundCloud. A lot of people about to drop my phone. A lot of people are haters of SoundCloud, but I love SoundCloud. It just has like all the underground music, all the old Playboi Carti songs, and just, you know, stuff like that. So when I remember it, it's very fun to go and listen on there. Then next I just have a folder with photo and video stuff. I just have the Fuji app. So basically you can just take a picture and I'll just throw a random filter on it, like an old school like film filter, and I'll show you guys that picture I just took. So basically you can just see it goes like that aesthetic, I don't know. And then I just have Fonto, which I use for my YouTube thumbnails, and watermarks for my photography because I have so many cool cute fonts on there. And then I have VSCO. I haven't used that in a minute. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what VSCO is. Basically, you can just edit your pictures on there and they have some cool filters. But I don't really do filters that much anymore. I just do the brightness and exposure and contrast and little stuff like that. And then I have Spotify. Let me know if you guys use Spotify or Apple Music. Personally, I like Spotify because Spotify has put me on to so much new music. It's crazy. And when I did use Apple Music, like, it would not recommend songs to me that I like that much. I don't know if it's just me. But I have so many playlists on there. I'll put a link down below to my Spotify if you want to listen to my music. I think I have a good music taste. Let me know. And you guys can comment your Spotify if you want me to listen to your playlist. And then on the next screen, I just have the followers app. Basically, you can see who unfollows you on Instagram. So that's always fun. And then I have Duo Mobile, which is just an app I need to get into my mail for school. And then I have WhatsApp, which is a texting app. And then I have Google. I have Fly Delta, which before quarantine I would use Fly Delta when I would be flying because you can just have your boarding passes on there. And I forgot with the wallet app you can do that as well, but the Delta app is pretty cool because it reminds you what time you should be at your gate and stuff like that. So yeah, that's everything on my phone. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.